Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to switch premium to free on TurboTax. All right, so let's begin with the video. There are two main premium options on TurboTax, the do-it-yourself version and the expert assist version. You can check which one you're currently using by looking at the price preview in the top right corner. If you're on a premium plan, it will usually show a price like $139 or $149. If you're using the do-it-yourself premium version, you can downgrade directly back to the free edition. However, if you're using the expert assist version, you'll need to clear your return and start over to switch back to free. To begin, look at the lower left corner and find the Switch Products section. When you open it, you'll see options like Upgrade, Downgrade, and Clear, and start over. If you're eligible, you can click the Downgrade option. For users on the do-it-yourself premium version, this will allow you to switch directly to the TurboTax Free Edition. Many users can file for free, and if you later encounter a situation that requires a paid upgrade, you can simply choose a lower tier option like Deluxe instead of Premium. To downgrade, scroll down and select the option to switch to the Free Edition. If you're on the Expert Assist version, downgrading won't take you to free. It will only move you to a lower paid tier like Basic. In that case, if you want to switch to free, you'll need to start over. Before doing that, it's a good idea to save your progress. Go to Tax Tools on the left side, then open the Print Center where you can preview or download a PDF of your return so you don't lose your information. After that, go back and select Clear and start over from here. This will remove all your entered data and reset everything. Go ahead and do that. Once you restart, you'll return to the beginning of the setup process. When prompted, avoid selecting options that would automatically recommend a paid plan. Instead, continue through the steps and choose to handle your taxes yourself. TurboTax will then suggest starting with the Free Edition. Select the option to start for $0 and continue answering the questions based on your situation. After completing the setup, you'll be taken to the dashboard, now using the TurboTax Free Edition. Depending on your original plan, some users can downgrade without losing their progress, while others will need to restart completely. Once you're back on the free version, the price preview should show that you're using the free edition for the current tax year. And that's it. So that's basically how you can switch premium to free on TurboTax. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.